Wazam! Today we about to be playing some flipping, whatever this game is called. They call it, I want to say Hoop Central. I gotta reload this because now it's tripping. But we about to be playing some Hoop Central. Just ignore the microphone because it's kind of trash. Bro, the gym doesn't even work. On second thought, I might just have to go straight to the park. I thought I could have played some gym, but okay. Bet that up, bet that up. I'm about to go to Playmaker, cause you know I gotta give people's ankles a little welcoming party. That's what I like to call it. If I can get a quick game, I will try to cut this part out. So I'll be back. I'm back. I managed to find a game. I'm gonna see who I'm going against. Hopefully he's not like the sweatiest guy in the world, but you know. We just gotta figure that out for right now. Oh no, I didn't even show. Hold on, wait. This is my record. I'm 44-10. Don't look at me like a tryhard, cause I'm really not. I just play this game a decent bit. This match probably a sweat. Let's see what we doing here. Come on. Can you start game? All right, bet. That's locked. You're not about to score that. I feel like you're sharp. That defense was some trash on me. That was on me. I'm getting bodied by a guy who has the same shirt as me, but in a different version. That's so tough.
I'm gonna go in the party right quick.
Nah, ain't no way. Jenny, you might have to move further away, because they can probably hear me and you at the same time. There you go. But yeah, I'm getting bodied right now. Probably gonna cut this part out of the video. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Hold up. Come here. Yeah, why you sweating already, buddy? Pick up that ball. I dare you to try to rush forward. I'm gonna make you pick up that ball. Ain't no way. I'm about to say, bro, if he would have made that stuff, lockdown. Big lockdown. I'm a playmaker locking down. Oh my god. Bro's only going for layups now that I noticed it. Ain't no way. No way. Big contest. Alright, now it's my turn. Let's go. Try to give his ankles a little snip. Try to make that man fall. Okay, he's smart. He's not smart enough, though. Let's get it. That's grease. Oh, okay. Alright, again. I'm gone. Okay. Yeah, that's cool there. That's cool, too. That's cool. I was in the air, but, you know. That's all good. Since y'all want to play, come here. You're not giving my ankles a snip. I almost gave your ankles a little snip, but the game was trash. Lucky for him, he's smart, cause I could have blown by this man like 3 times. Oh, I didn't even realize I broke his ankles. That's tough. He really jumped at that? Oh, this music gotta go down. This music definitely has to. That music messing up my whole vibe.
Why do you got rainbows?
Let's go, baby.
That's weird.
Come here.
Who cares? But that's just weird.
I'm trying to give your ankles a little snip. Ooh. Bro, how's that? This man just does not get broken.
What is this?
Bro, because I could blow past this man at any time, but he just does not get broke. He doesn't get broken. What is this? Come here. That's a break. Okay, or not. That's big greens, but like still. That stuff says scored a 3-pointer. I'm gonna be mad. If that stuff happened again, I'm actually gonna be triggered. Oh, he tried to get the early reach. Bro, does this man's ankles just not get broken?
So now I'm gonna just get
No, his ankles just don't get broken, do they? That was a dumb shot, but still.
How about this one? This one is
I was gonna say, ankles just don't get broken. Man's doesn't even jump.
Let's see.
That stuff really said a 3-pointer. 17%. I'm kind of mad now, though. Man's ankles they're just unbreakable. Bro has unbreakable Hall of Fame. That was a whole break. Game. Don't play with me, bro. Don't play with me, game.
Just put a thug hat on.
That's a floater. Yeah.
Let's-
All day. But still, that's not. Is my recording still on? I just got to make
There's
sure.
one here.
There's no way, bro.
Here, ugly.
Hold on, wait. Snip, snip.
Someone bring this house down without-
Snip, snip. Snip.
Let's see what else they got.
This man keep jumping, but I'm trying to give him ankles a little snip. I'm gonna just dribble out the whole shot clock.
I'm gonna do some down.
I'm a playmaker, but this man must be a lockdown because I cannot break his ankles for nothing, bro. Give me those.
What I'm playing Roblox.
Those ankles are gonna get snipped at least one time in this game, bro. Come here.
How to talk on microphone.
Come here. Yeah. Let's go. Them ankles a little snip. They gone. They out of there. Bro needs life support for his ankles. I would be toxic and say something, but I'm not going to. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bro, that was the easiest blow by. Yeah, that's a green. Or not. Can I hit a fadeaway? As a playmaker? As a playmaker? Oh, bro. They must have made fades like a bit better. Because those things used to be so slow that if people jump like 5, cut that out the video. Cut that out. Yeah. We're just gonna cut that part out. Cut that part out real quick.
Okay.
Let's see if I can win this game. I feel like I'm getting picked up, but come here. Don't try to play with me. Bro, how are my ankles getting snipped? I'm pretty sure this man's a lockdown. How are my ankles? I'm recording a video.
Yeah.
Of course she coming up in here cursing. This man's a lockdown, and I'm getting my ankles snapped, bro. No, I gotta play lockdown now.
That are like weird.
I said lockdown a bunch of times. Come here.
I'm gonna change this one because
I was about to say. Oh, I forgot lockdowns can shoot, bro. Lockdowns can shoot? Are you actually kidding me?
Let me see.
Since when? Like, in what universe? Bro, like,
Let me see which one is this.
I'm so used to RB World 3.
Oh, wow.
But then again, in RB World 3, I would not be doing it. This man would just be dunking on me mad hard.
Let's see.
Yeah, you picked up that ball. That's on you. I wonder if I can hit. I'm going to try to get ahead, and on the last point, I'm going to try to score a fadeaway. Because that seems like something I could do. My recording still on? 16%. Jesus. If he got that ball, I'm actually just going to give up on the game. All right, bet.
Now I'm gonna reset this one. Because that one's weird. Like usually.
Let's go, boys.
Like, all my.
I don't think this man knows that they fixed that glitch. Snip. Snip, baby. Snip. Come here.
Yeah.
You know what? This bro's getting hit with a fadeaway today. He has to. He's not that good. He's getting hit with that fadeaway. Come here.
Let's see.
Boom. Hit him with that
That's
bang.
good.
And then step back.
This is the one.
Bro fell for that. Big. Oh my gosh, this game is some trash. This game's so trash. Oh my god. Bro, I sound like a wannabe YRNK. No way he makes that in my face. Come here. His ankles, if we were playing RB World 3 right now, his ankles would have been taken, like snatched. Boom.
You can play just the coin.
Boom. No way. Bro, can I make a fadeaway to save my life? I'm a playmaker. Finally. Got it. Can I hit a reverse lay? Oh, okay, that's so cheap. That's so cheap, bro. That's actually so cheap. I feel bad for that. Maybe I can hit a movie? Hey, if I'm a playmaker and I can't hit a movie, I'm just gonna quit this game. That's big bodies. Yeah. GG's. I hope you guys. I'll see you guys in the regular bet.
can.
Okay, bro came back. I did not expect him to come back around, but it turns out he did. I'm gonna show my record, 45 to 10 right now. I'm not that good at this game. I like just started. What is this man's record? I just want to know what build he is. I really need to know what build that man is. This video about to be so scuffed. Oh, he's a sharpshooter. Bro's a sharpshooter spamming layups. Hold up. Ain't no way. There ain't no way. Bro. No way he gets the ball off of that. Okay, oh god. He's one of those annoying people. Alright, now I'm gonna just move. Yeah, that's the easiest dunk of my life. Okay. Okay, game, I see how it is. No, that's all good. That's all good.
I guess that's it. I can
Ankles or not. But that's mine though. That has to be. No way! I'm missing oranges and yellows. Oh my god. I thought this man was a pure lock. I was about to say, how am I getting broken by a pure lockdown? I wonder if lockdowns can still shoot in this game.
I'm gonna have to cover.
Like, if they can, I'm actually gonna be Nah! Bro, there's Caillou's on the spot. Black Caillou on the spot, bro. Make a wish. I mean, pause. I ain't mean it like that. I ain't even mean it like that. Mate, you're not gonna break my ankles in the paint.
Yeah.
Nope. Give me that. Let me take that back real quick. I can score at any point on this man, but it's just like, it's not gonna be worth it. It's just gonna be boring. It's gonna be boring for y'all to watch and boring for me to play. So like, let's see what's going on. Play with me, buddy. Play with me. Okay, yo, second thought, don't play. Just let me score. Like, that'll work. Let's see if I can go across the edge. Like, if I can hit that, bro, if he don't stop reaching the ball, it doesn't work anymore, buddy. You can stop. Like, it's annoying. Oh, he fell for it. So he can contest that from inbounds, but I'm in his face and I can't contest the floater. Yeah, I'm not sure I like this game anymore. No way. I'm about to say, jump. Bring that here. It's okay. Come here. Nah, but. It doesn't work anymore. I said work. No, this man's getting dropped off in the utmost disrespectful way. Come here. Give me that layup, bro. I'm done. Like, I'm actually done with this game right now. Wish I could be recording RBO 2, but I'm not on my computer. And RBO 2. Bro! It's just annoying. Like, it doesn't even work anymore. You're still doing it. Bro, I'm trying to give your ankles a snap. That's it. Oh my gosh, bro's getting bailed out by the game itself. It's kind of... See? Oh my gosh. That was the biggest voice crack of all time. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna quit. Like, I'm actually just gonna quit. Oh my god! Okay, he jumped. No way I missed. Okay. Thank God, bro. I missed like 3-4 oranges.
Hi guys, I'll be back with
This is my name if y'all want to friend me. I know I don't really have that many people on my account right now. It's like 9 subscribers, but you know what? That's why you post every day. That's why you grind. You know what I'm saying? Bro's still reaching. I might have to just end this man's life. Like, actually end this man's life. Why would I shoot that? Hold up. No, I could have actually gotten away with that because it hit the back. Okay, this game's getting kind of long. I'm about to cut like half of this out the video.
Let's see what we should do. I should get this water bottle, but I gotta get a box.
Yeah, he picked up the dribble. There's no way.
So I'll just get a water bottle. If you can
Buddy, yeah, no way.
yeah, it's gonna.
I thought he made that.
It's no good. And right
You
now
making a video?
Yeah.
Bet. Sorry, me and my cousin are both making Roblox videos. We plan on being Roblox YouTubers,
Why not?
like big Roblox YouTubers. But for right now, this is where I'm gonna start, and she's starting on like Toca Life and Roblox. I'm staying Roblox. I'm probably gonna do a road to legend.
I know it's
That's still about to be like 5 years long, cause I can't really play on my computer that much. Oh, that's tough, bro. That's tough. And now we gotta do it in phase God. Looking at who is Gohan? Please explain. Sounds like an anime name. I'm not even gonna hold you. Bob. I want to dunk. Yeah, I'm gonna dunk on this man because I feel like it. Oh my. I'm just gonna make a slasher. Like at that point, like if I miss every dunk on a play, I'm just gonna make a slasher. Like I can't with this game. You know what? That's the end of the video. At that point, I'm not gonna play this game anymore. I'll talk to you guys later, and yeah.